Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make or design professional footer section in your Shopify online store. So here you can see that I have completed a Shopify sport equipment store with one of the most popular Shopify free theme that's called Horizon. This is the default theme of Shopify theme directory, and it's officially announced that it right now official default theme. Here you can see that I make a professional sport equipment store with Horizon theme and make it more eye-catching using some premium section that I developed from scratch for all of the Shopify store owner. Okay, you see, and here I'm going to show you how we can design a footer section like this premium looks. Why we need to do this? Because if you start building your Shopify online store with Horizon theme by yourself without any coding skill, without any design experience, then it will looks like, let me show you how it will looks. I'm going to show you. Here is the footer that I have developed from scratch, and if you want to add footer, search footer and click on the footer. Then you see here is the footer section. Then you can add block, and first of all we are going to add in this footer add group. So click on the group, and under group we are going to add title. For example, title, and we can add text in here, text. You see, we have added title text in this group, and we can duplicate it. Here is another. We can duplicate another one. Perfect. We can also remove the email subscription from here, and we are going to add background. For example, color scheme will be like this one. And if you start working, change the title. For example, I'm going to add text like heading, added heading in here, and remove this title. Now if you want to make it like this one, there is no option to make it. You cannot make a section like this one because you will not find any option in here. For example, you can change the heading 1 to 3, you can change the typographic preset, but the main things is that it does not give you the full opportunity to make it neat and clean. That's why you have to use the advanced footer section to make it professional. So I can confidently make you ensure that you cannot make same premium pictured footer using the default footer picture. That's why you have to use this one. So how you can use this? Very simple. Before that, I want to show you the featured or customization section. You can show store information or hide it, you see, and you can update all the information from here. One second, it will take a little bit time to load. Then you can also update the newsletter section, and here is the navigation. Very simple, very easy. And now your question is that how you can get this pictured. You will find this ready code snippet pictured in the video description, and you have to just do a simple things, that is click on this 3 dot icon, edit code, and then simply open your section folder in here, and you will find a footer.liquid file that I'll share in the video description of this file link. Just copy this file and paste it, or paste all the code in here. Then you will get same picture, the footer premium section for your footer. So I hope you understand how you can draw this. Also, I'm ongoingly making video how to add premium blog section, then how to add the promo section with customization option, how to add this logo section. So everything you will find in my YouTube channel. I'm working as a Shopify developer from last 6 years, and you will find everything relevant Shopify store design, development, customization in my YouTube channel, and you can use it for your store design development project. It could be your own business, or it could be your client. You see, there is the advanced product section that I have designed and developed from scratch. So just stay connected and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will find everything. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.